mirror you. Grab your left poi and then start your right poi underhand. And we'll just do it 20 times. Under, over, home, 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 under, over, home. We'll do 10 more, and 9 more, and 8 more, and 7 more, 6 more, 5, and 4, and 3 more, last 2, and last 1. And here we go. Under, over, home, under, over, home, under, over, home, and under, over, home, 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 and 10 more, and 9, and 8, and 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, last 2, and last 1. I'm mirroring you. Here we go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Try and keep it tighter. So yes, that's bringing it tighter into the wrist. Good job. 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, last 2, and last 1. Let's slow it down like this and do your top hand, home, cross under, and then 1 circle and wait for the other one. So bring it home, under, 1 circle, home, under, 1 circle, then cross the other one, home, under, 1 circle, then home, under, 1 circle, 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 home, under, 1 circle. When your left hand is going from being on top and crossing underneath, you're going 1, 2, then moving the right. And this one you're doing 1 and then moving the left, then 1, 2, moving the right, then 1, then 1, 2. What you need to do is just like with this one where you go cross under once, do this one cross under once, then this one cross under, then circle once, cross under, circle once, cross under, circle once. And you need to start moving the other hand before the second circle starts. All you do is words. All you have to do now is keep spinning when you cross, because you're doing everything in the right timing. As you are getting your right hand to the left side, I want you to focus on pushing down and forward more so that you actually get the rotation. Just wait for the other hand to cross underneath before you move it. Now you're doing this. You're doing 1 beat under with the left and then they both open. And you're not leaving the left one there for the right one to go back and underneath it. Goes underneath the one that is crossed. Goes underneath the one that is crossed. Goes under it. Goes under it. Back and under. Back and under. Back and under. Put your left hand out like this and practice going under, over, home, and keeping it vertical. Yes. Yes. Put the right arm out here and have the left arm go under, over. See how it feels different than the drill that we were doing before? Right, totally cool that it's wide and big. The next step is to try and bring it in and bend the arms more and bring it closer to you. Is maybe sway a little to get it side to side.